Well, g'day and welcome back to Hibbo's Model Bench. Today I'm doing something that I've been asked to do by a number of people, so let's get into it after the introduction. Well, here we go. This is going to be an interesting one. So, if you just head down to the model bench, what we're going to be doing today, let me just move everything out of the way, is the unboxing of this big beast. The 1700 Waterline series from Tamiya, Royal Australian Navy destroyer HMAS Vampire. Excuse me while I have a drink of coffee. So yeah, what I'll probably be doing with this, I'm going to do a bit of research and see how to do a diorama. Thick plastic. Yeah, do a diorama. And just see how that goes. Something new. So yeah, hopefully it gets done. So, the box. As you can see, it's just a box with a picture of the actual warship on the back of it. On the front of it. And on the back, you've got the what it looks like from side view and upper view. So now let's have a look at the sprues. Oh my lord. This thing's freaking tiny. So what do we got to start with? With everything out of the box, let's put the box up there. So I've just got the normal Tamiya warnings and cautions, important information concerning the kit. So put that there. Then we've got the instructions and a bit of history of the warship. So it was originally laid down in October 1916 by the Samuel White and Company. Began its long service as a Royal Navy destroyer when she was launched and commissioned in May 1917. She was a V-class destroyer featuring a 1,090 ton displacement, 95.1 metres in length, with steam turbines that generated 27,000 horsepower for a maximum speed of 34 knots. It's pretty quick. Armed with four 45 caliber 10.2 centimetre guns in single mounts, one 7.6 centimetre high angle gun, and two triple 53.3 centimetre torpedo launchers. Vampire and sister ships were excellent designs and served as mainstays in the Royal Australian Navy's Royal Navy's destroyer force in World War I. She was transferred in October 1933 to the RRAN. Just quick read. She was a reserve ship during the 30s and recommissioned in May 38 and sent to the Mediterranean at the start of World War II, where she operated out of the Mediterranean Fleet's naval base at Alexandria. So it goes on to say a little bit more about where it served. Vampire went on to perform escort and patrol duties in the South China Sea and Indian Ocean. Vampire was escorting the old aircraft carrier HMAS Hermes off the coast of Ceylon, present-day Sri Lanka, in 1942 when she came under attack by the marauding Japanese carrier-based aircraft, and both ships were sunk. So, let's have a look at the instructions. So there's a few things you need to. I'll just zoom in so you can see. Alright, so you have to remove certain parts off it, doing the stacks. You've got two stacks, front and rear funnels. You've got the two guns, no, high angle deck gun I should say. You've got torpedo tubes. You've got to do the bridge assembly, which is 2 parts obviously, and then the upper part of the bridge, radar, upper deck part of the bridge, then actually do the hull and the superstructure, 2-part hull, which I'll show you in a minute, with polycap and joining parts. Oops, sorry. So there's 4 polycaps, and then the bridge. There's only 6 parts to the building this, but I can guarantee it's going to take a hell of a lot of time because it's so small. So let's have a look at the actual sprues. Alrighty. Peter, you're a nasty man. So, got the stickers, well they're not even stickers, they're just paper. So you've got the old Australian white ensign with the Union Jack and the white ensign flag there. So you can have 2 different sorts. You can have them flying as it's at sea, which this one will be, or straight out flat. Put those over there. We'll put those back in the... oh, hang on, there's some more bits in here. Right here. Alright. And you've got D56, oh sorry, D68. So, little decals. Then you've got the polycaps. How small they are. Where's my 5-cent piece? Look, it can almost, the whole thing can almost fit on a 5-cent piece. So these are tiny. These people at Tamiya are sadists. Well, the kit number also is 910. I don't know when it was made. Looks like a fairly old kit. Oh, 2007. Alright, so first off, let's have a look at what we have here. So, we have the waterline bottom part of the deck, along with the 2-part hull. There seems to be a lot of hooks, tiny little anchors and lifeboats. So so you've got tiny little anchors just there, lifeboats and davits and hooks and stuff. Then it looks like you have 10 and 11. So what's 10 and 11? On sprue A. Sprue A, 10 and 11. Okay. The sprue A is the top of the bottom of the where the gun emplacements are. Sorry, so 10 and 11. These 2 bits here, that and that, that and that, where the gun emplacements go. So should be interesting. Just looking at that, it's tiny. And then we go to the second sprue, which is sprue B. God, I'm just thinking how I'm going to paint this. Wow. Anyway, so that's the deck. I'm glad there's no photo etch. So you got the torpedo tubes. Where's my little black thing again? Alright, so you got torpedo tubes here. Got the little radar there. The guns along there. Oh god, these are for the main masts. There, they are as thick as a hair. A thick hair, but it's. What I'm trying to say, it's very, very thin. You got the side superstructures. I was thinking this would be a good weekend build, but there might be a bit more. There's the stacks. Look how small the stacks are. Stacks there. Let's just again put it into perspective. 5-cent piece. Tiny. More lifeboats. Just onto the right hand side of the or left hand side of the 5-cent piece. Yeah, so this is going to be a very, very interesting build. Very indeed. I'm looking forward to it. That's going to be bloody hard work. So, yeah, so that's for the unboxing of the Vampire for all the people that wanted to see it. I'll probably start doing that. Might do a double build. Actually, here you go. Here's a comparison. Let me just get the that's the deck, and there's the ship's boat off the turpits. That shows you a good comparison. Yep, so anyway, I'll get this video out. I've got to go into work today to do another video for my modelling career. So yeah, so please, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, give it 2 thumbs down. You can see Peter's starting to take my 2 thumbs down bit. It's not actually mine. I stole that off someone else. Can't remember who. But yeah, like I said, give it a thumbs up or give it 2 thumbs down. Subscribe to the channel, and because this is a gift from Peter, go have a look. I mean, you all do, but go and have a look at Oscar Modelling. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed to Pete, subscribe to Pete. And I suppose I should really do it. If you haven't subscribed to Aussie Scale Modeller, Jace, subscribe to him as well. Anyway, I'm going to get back into my, what do you call him, Turpits build. And I will see you a bit later on this afternoon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.